Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week and I'm back at Aldi. This week we have a short haul because my kids have midwinter break. We're going to be ditching Kalamazoo for the end of the week and going to an indoor water park and pretend it's not still winter. That means I have less groceries for home and some for the road. I'm also delaying a little bit of my grocery shopping for later in the week because I'm going to get some stuff, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables to take to our hotel room, and I don't want them right now. I want them right before we leave. So that means I have less to buy today, but let's get in, see what I'm getting for dinners and for the hotel room. Let's go. My girls especially have been loving pepper jack cheese and vegetable round crackers, so I'm getting more to take to the hotel room. We do have a mini fridge there. $2.49 for these. My aunt made firecracker Cheez-Its for a Christmas this past year, and my kids really love them. So I'm gonna make some to take on the road and to the hotel room. $3.69 for a family-sized cheese box. Thing of dried strawberries, $3.29. Lunches. When we get back at the end of the weekend, we're gonna have butter chicken, and I need some naan. So I'm gonna get these mini garlic naans at $4.39. Bananas are 41 cents a pound. I'm gonna buy a bunch of them because they'll be easy to transport and I'm not worried if they take a little time to ripen up. So 41 cents a pound. I need more garlic. It's good for quite a while, $1.99. When I get home, I mentioned butter chicken. I need cilantro for that, 85 cents. I'm taking fresh fruit tray to our hotel room, but I'm also going to bring apples. These are $2.89, and all my kids will eat these well. One of the harder things for me to go without is hot coffee, but I'm just going to drink cold brew there. I know it'll save me from buying it, and I'll just drink less coffee than normal, $5.58. My daughter Elsie asked me to get pineapple juice. She loves this stuff, $4.19. It lasts quite a while too. I need 2 cans of tomatoes for butter chicken, 89 cents each. I'm gonna get 3 packs of these to take on the trip because I love them, $4.49. Okay, we are going to get Pop-Tarts. We obviously won't eat this many, but I wanna have a couple different varieties. They're $1.92 a box. I'm gonna get brown sugar cinnamon, and I'm gonna get the frosted chocolate fudge. $1.99 for the sweet and salty peanut bars. We do also have a microwave in our hotel room, $4.79. Popcorn. I love this syrup, and we just used the last of it this morning, $5.49. Lots of different kitchen items. Don't think that's supposed to be there, but different organizers, toasters, utensils. They still have these, and I actually was kind of regretting not getting it last week, so I am gonna get it this week, $12.99. They have these cute stools. I think they're adorable. I really like kind of the brown pig. They have like a triceratops. Not sure what this is. Kind of unicornish. They're $14.99. They're cute. They are very small. Different sheets. And they have the cutest mini sewing kits, which we bought in the past, and I feel like they're extremely high quality. There's different threads, little zippers, the Taylor's Boutique kit, lots of really nice things, and they're only $5. Different slides, only $4.99. Small shag area rugs for $15. Lots of cute colors. Oh, I really like these sunglasses. Those are adorable, $4.99. I think I have to get these. What do you think? I'm gonna get them. So I think it just kind of got bumped, but they were $1.79, they're 49 cents. I'm gonna get both those. So many different candles, candle warmer, diffusers. I just can't get into the coffee or the sprinkles or the herbs on different wax. But these are really cute, and I've heard they smell really good. Adorable, $4.99. Lots of fun candles. Okay, avocado oil for the crackers I'm making, $5.65. I'm also going to get 2 packs of these to take to the hotel, $3.65. My kids all like this. I'm gonna make steak this week, not sure. I'm gonna make steak bites. This will probably be good. Look at this one, $6.65. It's $5.99 a pound. Hams. So many hams. Lots of space in here. Oh, turkey's 25% off some of it. They have different sushi rolls, veggie spring rolls, chickens. Breaded chicken parmesan. That looks pretty good over there. That's $9.99. Thin pizzas. Eggplant fries are still here. Edamame. I bought that last week. More turkey on sale. They have stuffed crab ravioli. Those broccoli bites are still here. Pretzel bites are still here. Nothing much looks new here to me. I am gonna get these biscuits to have with our steak bites and mashed potatoes. $3.29. I've been wanting to try these. This is new, a breakfast skillet where you add eggs. That looks pretty good. You don't have a price for it though. Not even on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 things of pepper jack cheese to go with the crackers, $1.99. I need more hummus, $2.49. String cheese, $2.59, easy snack. This looks so good to me. Cheese and spinach ravioli with chicken vodka sauce, $9.99. My whole family wouldn't like that. Okay, I'm getting my kids 2 Lunchables, even though they're not gonna eat the pepperonis. They don't have the cheese ones, but then we don't have to take lunch boxes on our trip because we're going right from school. They're $2.86 a piece. Okay, I'm going to get a case of water, 24 pack, $3.89 for our hotel room. I'm also gonna get a pack of lemon water, just gotta dig it out. It's $3.79 again to take to the hotel. Dang it, they don't have any of my plain waters. I wanted more of those to take on the trip, so I guess I will get Italian sparkling water, $3.59 for a 6-pack. Okay, for our 2 nights of butter chicken, I need 2 things of broccoli, $1.09 a piece. If you missed it last week, my daughter said this was really yummy. She really liked it. Definitely got her vegetarian stamp of approval. Yay, I thought I was missing out, but they have one more bag, the hot barbecue. I'm gonna take these to the hotel room. My daughter asked for these as well, $2.19. Okay, here's my cart. Any guess on the total for the week? As a reminder, I am buying fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, and soda before we travel. And of course, we are gonna be eating out a lot while we're there. Okay, my total is $137.11. Okay, 2 minutes out of the store. I am loving these sunglasses. A wonderful $5 purchase. And the cool thing is, if I lose them, I'll be bummed, but I won't be out a ton of money. That's why I don't buy designer things, is because I'm absent-minded and I've lost a few sunglasses pair in my life. So $5, I'm very satisfied, and it's super sunny right now. They're doing a good job. They're polarized and I really like them. Plus they're adorable. Let's see my odd meal plan for the week. Okay, to start the menu for the week, tonight we're having Greek bowls. Yesterday I made Greek chicken, and I have leftover of the chicken. I purposely made a lot of it so we could have Greek bowls tonight. Also on Sunday, I made a bunch of mashed potatoes so that I could have leftover mashed potatoes on Tuesday. When I make steak bites, we're gonna have salads as well. And then Wednesday, we are leaving in the evening to go to the water park, and we'll be gone until sometime Saturday. We do have a house sitter, a dog sitter, so everything here is covered. But I'm not sure exactly when we're gonna arrive home Saturday and if I'll be making dinner. It'll probably be something on the way home or an easy pantry dinner. And if I feel up for it, I could make butter chicken and then still have leftover butter chicken on Sunday. But this is our meal plan for the week. If you wanna see any recipes I mentioned, you can check the description below. I know I've shared it lots, but if you want to see how I make buttered chicken, you can check out my video where I share with you exactly how I make buttered chicken along with all the sides. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.